think Canva is just for designing Instagram posts. Think again. Today, I'm revealing 10 hidden Canva apps that will blow your mind. And guess what? They're absolutely free. Ready to level up your design game? Let's dive in. First on the list is Text Maker. This is the app interface. You get this all-new awesome text layout to choose from. Among all the lists, let me select this one. Now input your text. I will make a detailed video on this app as it is a very powerful app currently available in Canva. As you can see, I have written a text. Now let me select font. Here are some effects among them. Let me select this jiggle style. Click to enable it. Or you can also try this 3D type. Not only that, you can change gradient color type as well. Moving on to our next app, which is Typecraft. What this does is, it gives perspective to your text. This is app interface now. Write your text here. I have created a separate video where I have shown how I made this logo using this app. You can change your font here. Here are some font style. Add to design. And drag this edges to change its perspective. Click on Update Element. Next app on our list is Reshape. What this app does is it gives perspective to the image. Let me quickly use one image. Then click on this perspective. Now if you drag the edges, then you can change the perspective of the image. This app is very useful while making YouTube thumbnails. Next app is called Image Blender. You must have seen these type of images made from Photoshop. Well, now with the help of this app you can also make this type of images. Let me quickly show you how. We need two images which I will be using from Canva's library. Let me quickly resize it. Let's use another image. Again, go back to app. Select image you want to blend. Then click on blend, then you can choose the blend strength and blend direction as well. Let me quickly show you the usability of this app. Now to match this with the image, let's select radial blur. Then drag this person to the road, then you can easily blend them together. There are a lot of other creative ways to use this app. This is one of my favorite app. With this app you can easily create mockup for your brand. Let me quickly show you the power of this app. I will show you how you can create video for your brand. Let me select this laptop opening video. Then simply drag and drop your image into this app. Then adjust according to your need. Next in our list is this app, called Easy Reflection. But before using it, let me bring one car image first. Go to Apps section and search for Easy Reflection. This is the app icon. Click on Create Reflection. Then you can create in any direction. For now, let me just select this option and adjust its position. Nice, there you have it. Next on our list is app name replicator. You can now replicate same image in any way you want. And you can replicate design like this. Without this app, it would have taken a lot of time to do this. Now you can do it with one click. Next up name is background remover. With this app you can freely remove the background. You simply need to select image and click on remove background. And there you have it. Now you can create Minecraft-like animation with this app. Select image. Now click on generate and replace. There you have it. Now let's create whiteboard animation. With this app, select sketch duration. And your whiteboard animation is ready.